Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to put iPhone in silent mode with vibration. Putting your iPhone in silent mode with vibration allows you to stay notified without audible alerts. This is useful in quiet environments where sound may be disruptive. You can easily enable this using hardware controls and settings. To begin, locate the ring or silent switch. Find the physical switch on the left side of your iPhone. Switch to silent mode. Flip the switch down until you see an orange indicator. Open Settings. Tap the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to Sounds and Haptics. Tap the Choose Sounds and Haptics. Now go to Haptics and choose Play and Silent Mode. By choosing this option, you can vibrate even in silent mode. Set ringtone volume to low or zero. Drag the ringer and alerts slider down. Check vibration pattern. Tap ringtone, haptics, and choose a preferred pattern. Test vibration. Use the haptics that you choose several times to preview and to confirm it works. Turn off other notification sounds. Optional. Set text tones, mail alerts, and other sounds to none. Check focus settings. Ensure modes like Do Not Disturb still allow vibrations. Lock your iPhone. Press the side button to lock the screen. Call your device to test. Verify that it vibrates without ringing. Adjust settings as needed. Fine-tune vibration and alert preferences for your usage. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.